You know that feeling when you walk into a massive sports bar on a Sunday and there's like a huge wall of screens perfectly synced up to show one giant image of the field?
Oh, yeah, and then like 50 other screens are showing every other game.
Right, without a single glitch anywhere. We just
Mhm.
kind of accept it as magic.
We really do. I mean, we treat video like it's just light hitting a screen. But behind that drywall is a highly organized, intensely physical reality of data routing.
And today's mission for this deep dive is exploring the exact industrial-grade hardware that makes that magic happen.
Yeah, it's fascinating to look under the hood.
We're diving into the commercial beasts supplied by distributors like HDTVSupply. They're a company with a 25-year global home for audio and video products.
Right.
And we're specifically focusing on one serious piece of machinery they carry, the Turtle AV TAV-MX88VW.
It is a truly remarkable piece of hardware. And it perfectly illustrates the invisible heavy lifting happening right behind the walls of our public spaces.
Okay, let's unpack this. The Turtle AV is an 8x8 4K60 video wall matrix and multiviewer.
It's a lot of tech in one box.
It really is. And for a device like this, I want to use an analogy. It's like an ultra-fast digital traffic cop.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, because it's flawlessly directing 8 distinct 4K video inputs to 8 different outputs without a bottleneck.
Yeah, and what's fascinating here is the price tag required to do that.
Oh,
Because this specific unit sits exactly at $3,999.
wow.
Yeah. That establishes right away that we are talking about serious commercial infrastructure. Not a living room gadget.
See, I have to push back a little on that, though.
Yeah.
Does anyone really need to route that much video at once? I mean, $4,000 for an 8x8 matrix seems incredibly steep.
Well, you have to look at who is actually buying this stuff.
Right.
If you look at the broader HDTV supply ecosystem in the source material, this hardware serves massive entities. A huge chunk of this infrastructure goes straight into government agencies.
Really? Like federal government?
Yeah, they are purchasing through the NASA SciPi program and federal GSA schedules.
Oh, wow. Okay.
When a federal agency is managing live, critical data feeds, they need the absolute fail-proof reliability of a dedicated physical circuit.
Okay, that makes complete sense for a government command center.
Exactly.
But it scales beyond that, too. Because looking at the source, they have this dedicated sports bar TV systems category,
Yes, they do.
which is just wild to think about. It features these Wolfpack AV over IP matrix switchers, and they are capable of connecting up to an astonishing 160 TVs simultaneously.
Yeah, 160 displays is a massive load.
How do you even physically route that much data without the local network completely collapsing?
Well, that's where the engineering shifts. You move from a traditional matrix to AV over IP.
Okay.
Instead of running dedicated HDMI cables, which, they do great over long distances anyway.
Right, you don't want a 300-foot HDMI cable.
Exactly. So AV over IP actively converts those massive video signals into network packets. It uses standard IT network switches to route the video exactly like an office network routes emails.
So what does this all mean for the listener?
It means that this represents the invisible architecture shaping our public spaces.
Right.
When you enjoy a seamless, multi-screen video wall at a sports bar or a restaurant, it's entirely reliant on heavy-duty matrices like the Turtle AV doing the heavy lifting behind the scenes.
We just consume the final polished image.
Exactly. But that image only exists because of an incredibly robust, hidden industrial backbone ensuring every packet arrives flawlessly.
It definitely shifts your perspective.
Yeah.
The next time I see a massive TV wall, I'm not just going to see the game. I'm going to picture that hyperactive digital traffic cop humming away in a server closet.
And that infrastructure is about to get a lot more stressed.
Wait, really? Why?
Well, if we connect this to the bigger picture, the source material briefly lists 8K HDMI products.
Hey, boy, 8K.
Yeah, so think about it. If an 8x8 4K matrix already costs $4,000 and requires this level of industrial-grade routing, how radically will the physical cabling and infrastructure of our commercial buildings have to change?
Wow, yeah.
Just to support the massive data loads of the impending 8K display revolution.
That is a staggering amount of data. It is going to require a whole new level of engineering.